This video is on a hammer multi-tool. I've had this for a little over 3 years, and as you can see, I have beaten up the end a bit. I've left it outside, but it hasn't rusted or come apart at all. It's a very solid piece. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 screwdrivers, and they fit in the cutest little way together. These little ones. Then you build this one, which gives you the main base. It is got a lovely grip on it, and which helps prevent slipping. This end part stays quite tight, and very solid, doesn't come apart, and I'm very happy with this product.